7.5 years after this video captured Prince George RCMP taking down one of two suspects caught driving a stolen pickup truck, Constable Joshua Grafton has been acquitted of all charges.
Mr. Aubuchon was disbelieved. My client was believed.
Grafton had been charged with assault with a weapon, assault, and obstruction of justice in the February 2016 arrest. The officer used his police dog to pull Kyler Aubuchon from the truck and deployed 7 strikes during the 52-second encounter. Provincial Court Judge Peter McDermott found all force used by Grafton was proportionate, necessary, and reasonable. Police action should not be judged against the standard of perfection, and police should not be expected to measure the force used with exactitude.
It's unfortunate that we had to spend 51 days of court time at a cost of almost $4 million.
Constable Grafton was unable to be relocated, was ineligible for promotion, and quite frankly, the stresses of this court case hung over his head for what amounts to a third of his career.
And 7.5 years is simply unacceptable for this outcome.
The investigation by BC's police watchdog took 2 years. Crown took another 2 years to approve charges before Grafton was cleared 3.5 years after that.
I'm a very strong supporter for police accountability and for independent oversight. It ensures public confidence and trust, but this can't be what that process looks like.
Charges of assault causing bodily harm against the 2 other RCMP officers who arrested the truck's passenger were stayed in 2021 when Crown decided the evidence no longer met the charge approval standard.
The Crown has to be held accountable respectfully for what has happened here.
The BC Prosecution Service says it tries to bring all charges to trial as soon as possible, but in this case the process was delayed by the complexity of the evidence and information, the availability of lawyers and witnesses, and the pandemic. Kristen Robinson, Global News.